Like, we're really gearing the Close Pro to producing real estate agents. This is advanced conversations. This isn't like entry-level stuff.
Yep.
So this is great for you if you're looking to take your business, over 25 transactions, 50 transactions, 60. Things happen in the industry all the time. Like this whole stuff with Zillow right now. We don't get it wrapped up because you know what? That's not going to affect your business in the long run. And if we get too in the weeds on that kind of stuff, it's just going to distract you from the things that you can control, because we can't control Zillow's business plan. Right?
Yeah, it's true.
So we're going to stay focused on your business and how to help you and how to grow you.
We've got over 200 pages of ebooks, more than 90 minutes of professionally produced video, all sorts of templates, scripts, checklists, downloads, all about developing the 6 pillars of a real estate business that you need in order, if you want to rev up, if you want to get it to the next level.
It's kind of a handful of some different techniques that aren't regularly taught that help during shifting periods. Different than FSBOs and expireds and just those kind of standard things.
Talk about getting a referral engine going. You talk about listing presentations and listing photos and negotiation. There's all sorts of great stuff in here.
Like I give all my best stuff here that I'm charging on the back end. Like if you were to hire me privately, it would be about $6,000. And I give the same content here.